In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Outlier AI. So this is actually quite simple. First thing you want to do is go to their website, which is outlier.ai. And then over here on their website, you don't want to click login because you likely don't have an account yet if you would like to apply for an account. What you have to do to apply for an account is click over here where it says view opportunities. Now, once you click on this, you will see all the opportunities over here. So you'll have different ones and you can filter them over here by different types or location. So for example, I'm going to do United States right now. So let's do United States. I'm going to go search United States. There we go. And then you want to scroll down and find something that actually interests you. So for me, let's say I would want to do this AI math tutor. So I'm going to click on this one over here. But of course, there's a bunch. You can select one that you would actually like to apply for. So as I said, I'm going to click this one for the instance. And then from here, what you want to do is read all about it. So you can hear all about the opportunity over here, and then you can see examples of desirable expertise, and then the payments, and you can see what to expect down here, and then some opportunity highlights over here. And what you want to do from here is press apply now over here. So this button, click it, and then it will take you to this website where you want to essentially review their terms and use of privacy policy. So what you want to do is read all through this, and if you agree with it, of course, you want to click I agree to the terms of use and acknowledge the privacy policy. And then you want to click this one if you understand that you will be entrusted confidential information. So you will be essentially agreeing with all that's said here. And then if you actually do agree with this, you want to check mark all this, and you of course have to be 18 years of age or older. So click this as well, and then you can either submit and sign up with email or with Google. So you likely don't have an existing account, so you can select which one you want to do. For me, let's say I'm going to do it with Google over here, and I'm going to actually click on one of my Google accounts right here. And then as you can see, it will give you either an option to log in to different Outlier AI apps over here, or it will give you a message saying that that job or that opportunity is no longer available. So from here, you just want to essentially create an account to wherever it takes you. For me, it took me to remote tasks, and for you, maybe a bit different. And then in there, you want to log in, and from there, you will receive all the necessary information to actually apply for Outlier AI. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.